Don't run. Do it. Don't run. Don't be scared. You got to get closer. You trying to do it on the side. You cheating. Oh. Hey everybody, welcome back. So me and Pooh Bear just walked inside of Spirit and we're gonna walk around. He really insisted on coming in here, but he insisted on coming in here. I really don't want to. I don't really care for these kind of stores too much, but we're here. So we're gonna walk around and look. I do like how they made this look like a, look at him. Oh my gosh. Ooh, he's creepy. Look it. You're not scared? I do like how they made this look like a ship, but he is gigantic. You guys, look. Oh my goodness, look at his shoes. You got him up there steering the boat. And then on this side you got a giant dragon and him. He got a sign that says free hugs. He's saying step right up, you'll get free hugs. Oh my gosh. Oh look, they usually have some really cute clothes though. Look at that sweater. That's a jack-o'-lantern sweater. They got t-shirts. They got shirts with the cutout sleeves and everything. I'm not gonna go through all the costumes though, because there's like too many. A pumpkin suit. It says turn it around, let's summon demons. Ew. But look who's next to that. Who is that? Look. Right here on that shirt. Michael Myers. Let's get smashed and I'm here for the booze. You got Jack Straw, Rusty.
Oh, I like him.
You like him? Oh my goodness. Okay, I wanted to see how much Crouchy was. That giant clown at the front. Let's see how much this is. It says he's 84 inches tall. And he costs well, I'm gonna just say 300. Ooh, look, they got a waffle purse. Stranger Things.
Michael Myers.
That's Michael Myers' shirt. Look at that baby doll face. Ooh, Freddy Krueger. Yeah, look at his sweater. I do like this though. Welcome to Elm Street, promising nightmares, free sleep, ask for Freddy. That's cool. Lots of Harry Potter stuff, hats, wands. They even have the cute little cardigan sweaters, skirts and school uniforms. Ooh, the Joker. I always like the Joker. Yeah. Oh gosh, they got Chucky.
Oh, and here's
the good guy doll. The girl Chucky. Yeah. Oh, look at Goosebumps. Slappy.
Ghostface.
Camp Crystal Lake. And all of this over here. Ooh, Jason. Okay, I do like these socks though. Those are cute. Oh, these are the Hocus-Pocus Ladies. I like that little movie. Those are cute. Look at that. And then they still have that? The jumping spider. And then look at her little ponytails. I like those. They got some pillows too. Let me see. Oh, yep, look. The lips and the hair. Oh, they even have some little dolls or something down. Oh, those are Banks. Those are cute. And here's that character Sam that everybody is talking about. Oh my goodness. Look at that. You got the jumpsuit, the gloves, and the mask. And he even has the giant little fake lollipop. I like that lollipop though. And then here's Sam's mask right here. That's like a giant saw, huh? Whoa. Pennywise stuff. Oh yeah. He would bonk you on the head with that, huh? The It Clown. Oh, and see, I love their socks. I don't want none of these, but kind of cool. What is that? The Twisted Clown? Oh, he looks creepy.
I would never go in there. There's a girl in there. She pops out with a light.
You don't want to go over there? We're going to go over there.
Okay.
You made me come in this store, so we're going to get scared today. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Yes. I'm not going over there. Okay, so then they got Woody, Toy Story stuff.
Oh, in the outside doesn't get scared.
Oh, look, look, look. Let's see. Is she going in? That lady jumped at him. Oh, yeah. You can go inside of there. I don't know if we're going in there, but I will peek in there in a minute. They got Rick and Morty. Look, he's inching. He wants to go. He wants, let's go. Come on, you want to see her? Come on. Go stand right there in front of her on that step. Here, come on. Why are you behind me? Why are you way behind me? Look at her up on the wall. Look at her feet. Okay, you ready? Whoa, she's creepy. And then she laughed. What is this one? I don't know if she does anything on that wall. I stepped on her thing. Oh, she is vibrating. Look. Oh, that's so ugly. Oh my gosh, it's so ugly. You want to peek in here? Says danger for your safety. Okay, that's what we not gonna do, because PrettyNflawed does not do haunted houses. You told me. You made me come in this store. Look at you, still trying to step on it. She gonna get you. You're not stepping in the right spot. Get closer. Here she come again. Okay, I'm done with her. What you see? Oh, look at all this Fortnite stuff. Is that a scooter? They got Razor scooters, I think. Hey, get it, baby. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Look at this. So you can roll around on this, I think. Something. It got some wheels.
You can make like a big fort thing.
Pig squeak.
The portal one, you can make a big fort thing.
Oh, porta fort. It says try me. Push the button. Did you push the button?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Down. Down. Right there. It probably need batteries. Look at that.
The
They got all
RPG.
a Fortnite pumpkin launcher.
Yes, also called the RPG.
It's called an RPG. They even have the giddy up, the whole piñata costume up there.
I like the boogie.
Oh, they got tomato head
Tomato.
and Mary Meritor. I think that's how you say that. That's a cute little shirt. Oh, they got all this creepy scarecrow stuff. They got the cowboys and the Indians. You could dress up and be from the Old Town Road.
Where we just passed.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at that. A Voodoo Mask. I like the horns on that one. This is all the voodoo stuff over here. This is my first time ever seeing voodoo stuff. They add new stuff every year. Oh, I like that headband. Witch Doctor headpiece. And then right here you got all the stuff for the Casanovas. You got the robe up there. Look at the hats. Everything is blinged out in gold. You got the fake gold chain. You want the hat? Okay, looking like a b-boy. They got the fake gold chains, the bracelets, a pimp bracelet it says. Fake money. The bling veneers. That's funny. Okay, these mermaid leggings are cute. Really pretty. I like the way they look on her, on the color. And they have a mermaid tiara. They got the mermaid wigs, unicorn, all kind of unicorn stuff in here. Cute headbands. Oh, look at that pillow. Halloween. It just says Slay. They have Michael Myers door greeter mask. And they even have a Michael Myers greeter. And you can put popcorn or candy in the bowl. Oh, I like that. The good guy doll. They got him. Okay, and he's really talking. And they got the girl. I liked her. I like Tiffany. What would have been funny is if they would have put their baby. Did you guys, okay, leave me a comment down below and let me know. Did you watch all of the Chuckies all the way till these two had a baby? Do you remember that baby they had and he used to pee on himself all the time? Yeah, so that's cool. Ooh, look at this baby. Speaking of babies. Whew. They even have Michael Myers string lights. Oh my gosh. And then a lot of it stuff. The music came on. That's the door greeter. They have Pennywise string lights and little pictures and stuff. Ooh, these babies are ugly. A good time doll, sound activated. Look at his little creepy face. Oh Lord. Sound sensor features lights. Why are you dancing to that? What that picture say down there? Pennywise the dancing clown. Ooh, look at them babies crawling out from under there. Don't let them get your foot. Ooh, no. You know it's not real. I just want to see these people. He's waving at you.
Step on that. Step on that.
Step on it. You step on that one.
All applicants must be dead. That's not a problem.
What about them? Did she do anything? Let's see. She doesn't work. What about them? They didn't do anything either. All these different masks. They even have a sloth. Oh my goodness, look at the teeth. Wow. You found Luigi? That's Stan the man. I know. They even have a Donald Trump mask. Look, you asked, was we gonna find him? There he is. Oh no, you said the Grudge, huh? That's the Saw. Okay, I'm still looking for the Grudge.
Cuphead.
Where you see Cuphead at? Oh, yeah. There's Cuphead down there.
The chainsaw, get it.
It don't work. It's just a toy, but it's just, you just hold it. Oh goodness, look at that. The president pout. More face masks. They got a dog with a glove on his head. Oh look, they got the Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas Monopoly. They got the candy axe. There go the candy axe.
That's not coming down.
Look at the patty whacker. Look at that giant spatula. That make me think of SpongeBob. This thing is big. They got mustard on it, yep. That's a cute little bag. Ooh, they got Super Mario stuff. What is that? Minecraft, everything. The little mask. Oh, this is like made out of some kind of plastic. That's not gonna last at all. Got those. A Lego boy. And they got an inflatable bear holding a honey pot. Look at that. His face is in there. That's cute. The Beef Boss mask. Oh, and they even have the little slippers. I wouldn't mind a pair of these, actually. I definitely would get some of these. How much are these? They're only $14.99. Those are cute. My dog would go crazy. He would chase me around the house in those. Look at you. Cute little candy baskets to carry the candy in. Look at that. Oh. What am I thinking of? Yellow Brick Road. Unicorns. And a bunch more over there. Cats. Elmo. Mickey and Minnie. And they even have Batman. Oh, what are these? Oh, they light up. How cute. All the little characters. They even have the alien. It's a candy, you hold it like that when you go to the door. You just go like that. And they put it in there instead of holding a whole bag. So you would hold this part. Okay. And they drop the candy in there. You like that?
No, it's supposed to close.
That thing would get heavy though, huh? I think it would get heavy.
Yes.
And treat totes that you can see through the window. Those are cute. And here's some more socks. They got Ouija boards, pumpkins, candy corn. What is that? A Ouija board? Exclusive edition. We wouldn't be playing that in our house. Skulls and all kind of cute socks. Cookie Monster. Sweet Sunday. They even have nerds. Okay, you guys, that is it for me and Pooh Bear. We are back at the front right here. We're gonna get out of here since he drugged me in here. Did you have a good time? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this little spooky vlog or store walkthrough, and we'll talk to you all in my next video. Okay, bye.
Once again.
That's creepy.